Hi, so today is a really excited video called Unicorness Squishy Challenge. I know I have a long time didn't post a squishy video, and today I'm gonna do a very excited challenge, Unicorness Squishy Challenge, and probably there's 5 answers. And the first question that I'm gonna do is trick someone with your squishy, and I'm gonna put my camera here and just gonna open the door. My grandma's over there, and you can't really hear what are we talking about because it's really far, and you guys can just see what it happens. So just move there a bit, and the thing that I'm gonna trick my grandma is pie chow. If you want to trick someone to eat a squishy, trick your family that don't know you're playing with squishy, and choose a squishy without license and without a self-destruct. That's the best way for you. And this is a really real pie chow. So now let's just get started. Did you guys see that? I keep talking to my grandma. My grandma believed it's real, but she don't want to eat it. So I think that's half fail and half success. So yeah. And the second challenge is, what's that? Okay, buy a squishy for 10 seconds. So I'm gonna buy my cake, vanilla shortcake. So yeah. It tastes nothing. So the third challenge is shower with all of your squishy, and I got my squishy over here, and believe that I'm gonna arrange them again, and let's just do it. Squishy shower challenge. So just gonna put this first. Okay. So you got 1, 2, 3. Ow. Ow, it's so painful. And did you guys see that? I'm making mess. My pancake flavor here, and let's just clean up. I need to say that I got a lot of squishy. Super messy. And the third challenge is you're gonna dump your squishy on someone, and I'm gonna dump on my brother. So I'm not gonna dump all the squishy on him, just gonna dump some of it on this cover. So I think just gonna pour all of it. I gotta pour in my grandma, so throw a squishy. and my grandpa. And if you guys don't see that, it's okay, but it's a success. Success! And the fifth challenge is put one of the squishy into the freezer for 24 hours. Actually, I'm not in my own house. I'm at my cousin's house, and I'm going back tomorrow, so I can't do that. So failed. So yeah, bye guys. Wish you guys love my video, and yeah, I really enjoyed this video.